Hello once again, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching, thanks once again for being here. Now, it's been a while since I've been in front of my green screen, and I want to say welcome and thanks for watching and all that good stuff, and I hope you had a wonderful summer. I hope you had an awesome summer. Now it's time to get back to work, right? We're working into what might be one of the most profitable periods of time here between September and December of 2011. And as you look on our website, you notice that we have a 21-day free trial on this website, and that's going to start coming September 12th. That's our deadline that I put out there, that I want to have start trading and giving people the opportunity to take a look and look over my shoulder. Now, just because let me go back and the large account trader and the medium-sized account trader, they've been dealt with. You know that if you're a large account trader, you should be risking 2% of your account or less for every trade. You understand, you should understand the loss management or risk management is actually we're controlling your losses, and you should also understand money management and position sizing, which is basically controlling the profit side of that equation, right? So, a couple of things that you need to have in any given market is liquidity and volatility. Now, four markets that I currently really like right now is the ES, which is the E-mini S&P. I like the bonds, the ZB market, or the Z and the 10-year note. I also like gold, GC, and also crude oil, CL. Now, the TCB trading strategy specializes in taking trades in the crude oil market, and most of our trades are going to come from that market because I believe you can make money hand over fist in this market. Now, obviously, it's a double-edged sword. You can lose money just as quick as you can win money, but I do believe that we trade with our edge, and when we trade with our edge, when we're sitting there, when we're disciplined and patient, we're going to win more times than we lose. We're going to build our account. We're going to take this small account, and roughly when I call a small account right now is you've got somewhere in the futures market between $5,000 and $10,000 that you're starting with. Now, you might be trading 1 or 2 contracts at that level. So you're basically taking that so that you can move up to the medium-sized account. Like I said, there's been lots of books written on that particular environment to learn how to take a medium-sized, a large-size account and grow it. It's an awful lot easier to make, if you had $100,000 to make $1 million out of it, than to take $10,000 and make $1 million out of it, right? So it's a lot harder to do that. Your risk to reward is a lot higher. With that being said, I've taken the small account trader, and that's basically what I've been writing my book and outlining it on as well, is that when I release the book that I've been put together, that I've actually been signed, I should say, that when I do release this first book, I'm taking into account the small account trader and how you, as a small account trader, can be successful in the markets and grow your account. Now, I believe that you obviously got to have a burning desire when you start into trading. It can't be a hobby. Even if it is part-time for you, you got to treat it as a business. If you come to it with a burning desire and you want to treat it as a business, then I believe that as long as you have enough capital to keep yourself in the game, it's all about survival in the beginning. You're going to be rope-a-doping against the walls occasionally. You're going to take 2 steps forward and 1 step back. Trading's all about that. You got your emotional capital, right? You got the capital that rides on the emotions, and you got your physical capital. You got your capital that you're actually trading with. But both of those components together are tied together. Think of them being together. And that component is what makes you as a success. And the psychological part of trading makes up more than you think. Just because you think you have a great trading strategy, I can show you a trading strategy, but if you don't take into account your emotions, basically you got to check those emotions at the door, right? I say you got to trade what you see and not what you think. So trading what you think will get you in trouble. So trading with a bias will get you in trouble. You need to look, the old thing about the trend is your friend. And I'll leave you with my favorite words of wisdom that I've developed, and it's just something that I came across, and it's taken into account some principles, right? You got to cut your losses short. You got to let your profits run, but you got to take profits along that ride. So this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I look forward to welcoming you into our trading room as we start our free trial. Go ahead and sign up now. Get ready to get rolling here. Come September 12th, we're live. I trade a live account. I trade a real account. If I'm going to trade a simulated account, I'll tell you in advance and I'm trading it. So I'm going to risk my own money, and you can sit and watch over my shoulder. You know, we're going to offer this TCB trading strategy out to you as well. So during your free trial, take advantage of the free trial. I know we're going to have tire kickers out there. It's going to be extremely busy. If you really want to get in contact with me, you need to leave me a message on my office, my home office number, or leave me an email. I do respond to every email that I receive. Sometimes it takes me a little bit longer to get to them, but I do respond. I try to get within, you know, if it's over the weekend, you know, if it's a Friday, you know, it might be Monday by the time I answer it. But if it's a normal work day, a business day, I try to answer that within 24 hours. All right? This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I thank you for watching. I thank you for once again for being here. I look forward to helping you as a small account trader. And just because I'm focusing my time on a small account trader doesn't mean that you medium-sized and large-sized account traders can't trade with us, because I do have a method to the madness so that you can trade 10 or 20 or how many other contracts you want to trade in this market. I've got a way that, you know, it basically comes into three components. You're going to have a first target, a second target, and then you're going to have your rabbit, which I call the, I guess if you think of it a different way, you have the tortoise phase, and then you have your hare phase. You got your tortoise, where you're actually going after your immediate profits. You're just banking profit, right? You want to get that tortoise part of it, the consistent profit. And then occasionally you're going to swing for the fences, and you're going to get that hare, or the rabbit that I like to call it. All right, that's all I want to talk about right now. Go ahead and sign up. We look forward to seeing you come September 12th in our room. We use GoToMeeting, and I know a lot of you guys out there have used GoToMeeting in the past. So, you know, you see my chart, you're going to see everything. I got 4 charts that I dedicated to my trading computer that I use, or 4 monitors, I should say. And I broadcast one of those. I actually show you my live trades that I take on. So that's about it. As best as I can. You know, sometimes markets move fast, and well, you understand that as well. All right, it's been 7 minutes. That's all I want to talk about right now. I look forward to seeing you soon. Go ahead and sign up, get started, and we'll see you come September 12th. All right, Dave Knight here once again. Take care. God bless you, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.